Oh, good stuff. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh my God, that was so sketchy. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. I'm out here today practicing a new trick. It's kind of like a proximity flow type of trick that I've seen a lot of people do recently, and I just wanted to try it out. And I don't think I could have picked much tougher of a spot to try this. Check this out. So the trick is where I go through these things, go through that, power loop over it, come down inverted, and then go back through here under all the structured crap. So as you can see, it's a really, really tight space. You don't have a lot of room to work with. And man, am I paying the price today, that's for sure. So yeah, really tight space, really difficult. If you mess up even a little bit, you don't have much altitude to work with. And also, if you align it wrong, you run right into the poles. And that's happened, I can't even count how many times at this point. So I totally broke one of my arm protectors on this arm here. It's just like the carbon is splitting. And I don't have any more pieces with me right now, but I figure I'm bashing the crap out of it anyways. It's not really worth just going home. So I'm powering through it. It's not going great. I've broken a few props already. This one's pretty beat up. This one is actually missing part of its blade. I don't know if you can see that. So it's kind of rough. And I also, since I'm going backwards so much, I actually bent, I don't know if you can see this, but I bent one of these standoffs, and it's like poking into the drone now. So the mount that holds the receiver is actually bent in and dented, and the carbon on the bottom is ripped up. This trick is just absolutely brutal on the drone. I keep hitting these stupid metal posts pretty much full speed, and it's just not turning out well for the drone. But I want to get a few more reps in here before all of my stuff is broken, because I want you guys to see this trick. It's super sick, and I want to start incorporating this into my flight edits. It's going to take a little bit of time before I get it good enough to where I can weave it into any line, but like I said, I've seen a lot of people do it. I want to do it too because it's really cool. So one more thing, I don't have my tripod with me today, so I can't do any stick cam. So what I think I'm going to do instead is just show a little compilation and maybe talk through like some of the reps as I'm doing them. But I'll throw in some crashes here and there, I'll put some music in, make a little shitty crash flight edit. I think it'll be pretty entertaining for you guys. So let's get to it. Enjoy. All right, so I'll just give a quick little fly through here about what I'm doing in case it wasn't clear when I pointed it out. I've got to change my props, so it's going to be pretty whiny. So I go through here, power loop over. I'm not going to do it live, but like right when I'm ideally halfway between these two things, I like invert more and I try to go backwards through this stuff. So it'll be something like that, if I can even do it. You get the idea, I think. So yeah, let's get to it. It's probably going to be pretty rough. It's already been a tough one. Up and over. Nope. Wrong position. Ah, almost had it. Let's go again. You can hear my props. They're super beat up. Oh my God. That did not go so well. Let's try again. Too high, but close. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh my God, that was so sketchy. So close. Let's keep going. I feel really bad for this quad. I'm just killing it today. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, that was rough. Somehow it's fine. Oh man. It's really hard to get that alignment right. Or not the alignment, the timing. That was perfect. Perfect. Ah. All right, again. Oh, good stuff. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nope, not quite enough. One more. Perfect. Perfect. So I got a confession, this isn't the first time I've been to this place. I was actually here yesterday too, but I broke my GoPro, so it didn't record, and the DVR also failed, so I got no footage of it, unfortunately. So I had to come back and prove that I could actually do it. So now that I got some footage, I'm really happy, and I will be coming back here again to practice this trick because, I mean, you guys saw it. This is so sick. You're so low to the ground. It's such a tight space. It's very difficult to do, but it's so satisfying if you hit the trick. Check out my drone though. This thing is just, like, I haven't even bothered replacing some of these props, like even that one that's missing a blade. So, man, it's just obliterated. Whereas this receiver hasn't like got cut up or lost or something. It's really surprising. My little feet I got, they're pretty much gone at this point. I keep smacking them. Oh, and then also I noticed this, which arm is it? This front left arm here. I don't know if you can see, but the motor is not actually flat anymore because of the delamination on the arm. It actually makes the motor so it sits like at a little angle, so it's not perfectly flat on the carbon. I noticed this a few weeks ago. I can't really tell on the flight, honestly, but it's just something to keep my eye on. I might actually replace that now that I have another arm for this frame. But it's just funny because I thought this XL5 frame was going to be like my nice frame because this is the newest one that I have. So I thought it would be like my nice frame and my QAV would be my beater, but it's actually been the complete opposite. I just send this stupid XL5 into all sorts of terrible situations and it keeps coming out alive. So I guess credit to iFlight. But thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to throw a little flight edit in here now with a few crashes and some other stuff. So just enjoy that. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, leave me a comment, and please subscribe if you haven't. Enjoy.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Take a ride, I need my sponsorship. Yeah. I don't ever talk, but the beat's too classic to just leave it open for whack people to loop it. Yeah, yeah. Honolulu views, sipping on some fresh guava, bumping always new and think about my next comma. I put my thoughts into the world until they come true. You chase women, I'm the one that they run to. Russ moves smart, this is something you can learn from. Rappers pay attention, maybe you can finally earn some. Low overhead, I don't need other people, cause everybody on my team is two other people. Multifaceted, I remember imagining living how I'm living now. Everything is extravagant. Jets, Rolexes, new women, new deals. Can't let the fake game try to tell you who's real, cause they gon' try to, but you gotta see through shit. You don't have to sell your soul, I'm the proof. This is millionaire weed, kush like Regis. I sound like an angel and I look like Jesus. That's what the women tell me, fuck it, I'ma run with it. You ain't gonna get the throne back until I'm done with it. Money flow like water, yeah, I'm getting Fiji checks. Huge in Honolulu, no wonder why Kiki left. I'm detached from anything y'all attached to. I'm in and out when my groupies like fast food. Who's the greatest? Say Russ when they ask you. I sell out shows quick enough to always add to. I laugh too, cause some promoters are slacking. But shout out Carol Lewis, always gets me a back end. Meaning you could sleep, but we got that covered. You blew up in the spring and you were gone that summer, yeah. Money at my feet, life's a cakewalk. They love me out in Asia, you would think I made K-pop. Too many many Jaquans, not enough Raekwons. Rappers use the same beat and flow and make the same song. I swear the last few months have been the best few months. I can't wait to see what happens in the next few months. And I can tell you only come around when success does. You only check for me when the check does. 10 blunts couldn't get you higher than me, cause I'm high of becoming what I aspire to be. You outdated like shirts by Ed Hardy. You know they always show up late to the best party. Take around, I need my sponsorship. Yeah. I don't ever talk, but the beat's too classic to just leave it open for whack people.